Hi guys, it's Annette in Gelatin in far north Queensland, Australia. I'm aware that there's been some problems with the video sound. I work out in a garage and unfortunately where I had my phone for recording was a bit far away, I think. I've moved it a little bit closer and I've also have a proper microphone that will attach to my phone, which is on the way. So I'm just going to have a try at seeing if the sound comes through better with my phone a bit closer till the microphone comes. So I thought I'd just quickly show you some of the pours that I have done in the past and how they turned out. This was the very large 60.9 by 60.9 or 24 inch pour. It has dried beautifully. It was a part cloud pour and a part metallic floating pearl pour as well. It's a bit hard to get into the screen because it's so large, but I think you can see it there. And then we had another metallic pearl pour here. It was in the blues with the lovely aqua floating metallic cells or pearls. What I didn't realise when I did this one, I'm not sure if it'll show up, is the black actually has gold in it, and under certain light it shimmers, which is an added effect, I guess, but it was really quite pretty as well. Yeah, I really could do with some better lighting out here in my garage, but I can't do the paint pouring inside. There's nowhere for me to do it. And this little one was the floating open cup pour I did. I'd never done one before, so it was a bit of a learning curve for me, that's for sure, and I'd like to give it another go. I was kind of fascinated by these black cells that popped up, which are quite gorgeous. Okay, and hang on, I'll just put this on pause just for a sec while I grab the vase because it's completely dry now too. Okay, this is the vase that I did. It was a 3D printed vase my son made me, and it turned out absolutely stunning. I'm not sure if I can zoom in a little bit, I'll try. I don't know if you can see it there. The metallics that are poured on first sunk down into the grooves of the spirals on the vase. And I've put just some spray varnish on so far. I wasn't too sure if a liquid one would work too well. I filled it with water and left it for 4 hours, and it doesn't leak at all. So yeah, that was really quite beautiful. Yeah, I'm stunned with that. Okay. Alrighty. When I did the vase, I had so much paint left over because I was new to using my son's split cups. So there's some of the ones that I've done with the excess paint. I'll just see if I can come around here, actually, that might be easier with the light there. That's quite pretty as well. It's got 2 layers of varnish on. And this was another one. It just shimmers in the light because it's got the 24K gold in there. And while I'm here, I just, because I'm still experimenting, we'll see if I can get this vase a little bit better. Okay, let me just zoom in. That's better. Sorry guys. I'm still working out my lighting and everything with all of this. I'm not from the tech age, I'm sorry. But I'm trying. Alright guys, I'm going to upload this and just check the sound, and hopefully that'll help with my sound problem until the microphone arrives. Thanks for watching.